Forgot your Cash App PIN? Don't worry, Cash App offers several secure methods to help you regain access to your account quickly and safely. The first method is the standard PIN reset through the Cash App interface. Start by tapping the Forgot PIN button on the login screen. Then verify your identity through your registered phone number via SMS and email address. Cash App now offers enhanced biometric authentication for faster PIN recovery. If you have Face ID, Touch ID, or voice recognition enabled, you can reset your PIN immediately without waiting for SMS verification. If the previous methods don't work, contact Cash App support directly through the app or phone. You'll need to provide your full name, phone number, email, recent transaction details, and submit a government-issued ID for verification. Recovery times have improved significantly in 2025. Biometric resets are immediate, while standard resets and support recovery typically take 2 to 6 hours for verified accounts, with a 94.7% success rate. Protecting your Cash App account during PIN recovery requires following essential security practices. These tips will help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. First and most important, always use secure networks when resetting your PIN. Public Wi-Fi networks are vulnerable to hackers who can intercept your data during the recovery process. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Scammers often impersonate Cash App support to steal your information. Remember, Cash App will never ask for your PIN directly through email, text, or phone calls. Regularly update your PIN every 3 to 6 months and store it securely using a password manager. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures you always have secure backup of your credentials. Always keep your registered phone number and email address current. These are your primary recovery methods, and outdated contact information can lock you out of your account permanently. Monitor your account activity frequently for suspicious transactions. Regular monitoring helps you detect unauthorized access early and take immediate action to protect your funds. Watch for red flags during PIN recovery. If you receive unusual verification requests, pressure to complete recovery quickly, or requests for additional personal information, contact Cash App support immediately. Cash App employs multi-factor authentication and advanced encryption to protect your account. Take advantage of these security features by enabling all available authentication methods for maximum protection. Following these security best practices ensures your Cash App PIN recovery process remains safe and secure. Remember, your account security is a shared responsibility between you and Cash App's advanced protection systems.